Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you a tip that's going around at the moment, but you need to stay until after I've finished this tip because I have an even better one. So you may or may not have seen on, all the social medias to measure a liquid in flour. So say, for example, you're making a cake of some sort, get your tablespoon, and you need a tablespoon. So get your tablespoon, wriggle it sideways. I probably should have used a bigger bowl. So you want to, that's a better one. So you just want to impress the amount of runny stuff you need. So there you go. There's your tablespoon measure of honey or maple syrup or golden syrup or treacle or molasses or any other thing that is runny in there. Glucose syrup, yeah. I want to show you now. Now this is the exciting bit. You may or may not have, and you should have, seen our little jars. So I want to show you something. Hang on, I just got to wipe the flour off the back of this. I am going to measure out. Yes, it's a new one. Always got to smell it. Oh, need second smells. So I'm going to measure out a tablespoon of herbs. These are mixed herbs. I always like to give a bit more, but really that's it. That's a tablespoon. So stick it in there. But look what I discovered. You don't have to get out your tablespoon measurer because it's in the lid. So the green lid on the Mrs. Rogers Herbs and Spices jars, and I think we've got about 20 or 21 products in these jars, is exactly, I mean, imagine if you were just like cooking up your chicken and you wanted to chuck a tablespoon of mixed herbs on it with a grind of salt. Perfect. You don't have to get this out. So there you go. Those lids are a tablespoon. Done.